Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do a short and sweet DIY. I mentioned in my last video that I was going to be sort of revamping my guest powder room. So I needed a little wall art, and if you remember, I showed you this wall art at HomeSense and I told you that I can probably DIY this one. So I decided to go ahead and get inspired and DIY it, come up with a way that I created it. I'm super happy. It's very simple, again, very beige. I know some people like the beige, some people don't. You can use different colors. If you're someone that loves different colors and are more into the vibrant colors, then you can play around and do the same thing but using different colors. But I, of course, love my neutrals, my earthy tones. You already know it. I'm that beigey girl. I wanted something that was going to be a little bit narrow. Since it isn't a bathroom, I didn't want it to be super thick and super big and bulky. It had to go long and narrow. So of course I kept it in a budget and I end up using the foam. However, this time I end up showing you how I attach the frame. It's really simple. So this time I added it into the video because I know a lot of you have asked last time in my previous canvas that I had done on foam. And it's a super great way to create a wall art, super cheap, easy to do, and it's super light too. So when you're hanging it, you don't have to worry about it possibly falling if you didn't put it in the wall properly. So anyway, I love it. It's very simple, but yet it's the perfect wall art to go in a bathroom, powder room. If you want it in a bedroom, it can go anywhere, but I am putting it in the guest bathroom. So anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Enjoy. you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. I love going to HomeSense, and this is the reason why I love going there so much. You get inspired, you can recreate things on a much cheaper budget as well. That is my goal. Sometimes you don't have to spend thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars on something. You can recreate it and make it your own and make it suit your home. That was my goal in this video. It is to do a wall art on a budget, because wall arts can be pretty expensive and it doesn't have to be super expensive to look good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be probably doing another vlog, so comment down below if you are liking the whole vlog thing, the sort of vlogmas. I'm not doing it every day because I can't keep up with everything, but comment down below, let me know if you're liking that I'm taking into my world. So anyway, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. If I don't speak to you then, I want to wish you all happy holidays, Happy New Year, wishing you and your loved ones the best for the new year to come. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.